Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Jior Contour, the T on the Manatee, and Creative Shop 31. I started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is Jior Contour, the T on the Manatee. This was a polished pickup find. Oh, and it's a thermal. You guys know I love me some thermals, and you can already see the flakies. So let me just tell you, this one's really speaking to me. So I went in with the first coat. You can see it's kind of sheer, and I am doing a second coat. But that's the thing about thermals for me, is when I put them on, a lot of times they're changing color as I'm painting, and I just, I don't know if it's done, if it's opaque or what. So we're just gonna have to keep playing with it. I have made a mess. Hi Woody, how you doing? And I have decided to go ahead and do a third coat. It's kind of jelly-like, and with that color change, I just felt like I really needed to do the 3 coats. I could have layered this over something, but I thought that would really change it, and I didn't want to change it up too much. Get Woody back out here. Girl is being real messy today. And she keep putting her arm in front of her eyeballs. We just not into that. But what a mess I'm making with this. And it's not the polish, y'all. It's the user. Hers is making a mess. Got that cleanup brush out too. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to top it with some Out the Door from INM. And you can see it's changing. It's kind of greeny, kind of like a manatee green is what I call that. And then it's kind of black too. So there is some color changing going on with that. And Woody back again because my stain is having some issues today staying neat. It's just not going to happen. Alright, so there we go. And here are my swatch photos. I kind of caught it in a couple of different, looks. Alright, so here we go with Creative Shop 31. What a cool plate. My H. La Costadora scraping card and my Bundle Monster, Maniology stamper. I'll be using On the Black from Bases Loaded Lacquer today. Getting all confused, y'all. I hadn't been Bundle Monster in forever, and I'm still calling it that. It is Maniology, though. Now this image just really looked so cool to me. I had to have it. I had to have it on my nails. So I'm going to put that on my thumb and on my ring finger. I did clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and that plate's getting cleaned and cleared off with pure acetone. Now these plates are etched so well that it's a fuzz grabber is what I'm saying. So you're going to get to see me like going crazy with my finger wiping over the plate. And that's because it was getting fuzzy. There we go. It's kind of wispy looking. I like it. And then this image caught my eye today, so I thought I would use it too on the rest of the nails. It's very pretty. Very, very nice. And here we go again. Some more. These Creative Shop plates are made really, really well. And I love the images on them. It's like I want to use all of them. You guys know how bad I am about that. And we got one more. Got to get that pinky nail done too. And looking back over this, doing the voiceover, I'm spotting other images. I'm like, oh, I want to use that one. So I'm telling you, these are neat plates with cool images. Alright. So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess off of my skin. I'm not going to get all of it. It's not cooperating 100% today. So we're going to get most of it up. And then we're going to get in here with our cleanup brush. Got my little damping dish out with just a little bit of acetone. Because you guys know I'll knock it over if I fill it up. We're just going to do our little cleanup here. I love how pretty that color is. I like it in the greenish state. I think that that's so pretty. It really does remind me of manatees, so funny enough. Getting all cleaned up. There we go. I'm going to top it with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. That way I don't smear any of my design. And now that that's dry, I'm going to cover it with some Poshe top coat. And that will finish this one off here. I really, really enjoyed this manicure, though. I love thermals, though. That's just my take on it. Capping my free edge. And I bet I gotta get Woody out. Yep, there he is. Clean it up for me, Woody. Thank you. And there's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.